Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to find out the product you want to sell in on eBay. I'm going to show you three methods, like if you are not spending money, like how to find out product without spending money, how to find out product by spending like only 20 bucks extra, like Canadian dollar. I don't know how in US dollar it's going to be much less, and another option also there. So I'm going to show you all the three steps for beginners. Now let's go and see the first step. First step, let's say you don't have any money, like you want to just find out the product. The best way to go about it is just type the product, like kind of product you want to sell. For example, let's say I want to sell iPhone charger. I put it right here, and from that I can just see eBay itself. It shows which product are selling a lot. This one like 3,221 sold. And if I click this one and see within a month how much sold, how many of them sold, that will give an idea whether it will work or not. Now you can see this product is actually selling a lot in February. Like now it's March 2nd, but in February it has sold a lot. So it means this product work. Even more than three it works, but this one is like much more than that. So if you find a product like that, what you do, just copy this one, paste it on Alibaba, alibaba.com, and here you just paste it right here. Okay, now let's see whether we have the same thing we are looking for. It's showing the cables, connected data, transfer adapter. This is the most important word, so I had to be careful about typing the words. Okay, like now we are finding something. This one looks similar to it, but not the exactly the same one. Okay, here we go. This one looks similar to this, right? Now you can have an idea how much profit you can make if you buy this. This one seems like not the iPhone kind of thing, but if it's selling this price, it means the iPhone connector should be say selling the same price as well. And if you just type ask from this seller, he's gonna give you the idea. He's gonna give you like the price and stuff. You can buy it. You can import this stuff and sell it for very good profit because it's going like 7.99 Canadian dollar, and it only costs like 0.19 something like that. So it's going to be just $1 and shipping cost. After that, all of them are profit. So you can try this product. That's one way. And let's say the another way, the paid ways. The other way is I go to Terapic. Terapic is like if you buy eBay store with basic, Terapic is provided. So that's a great tool. That's a great tool to find out the product. Now if I type iPhone charger here, and I have to make sure okay, now I am in the ebay.com. Since I'm in Canada, I'm just gonna go to Canada. So I go to Terapic again, may change this one to CA, ebay.ca. Then I click new, fixed price, and then best offer accepted, because we are selling the new one. We are gonna sell the new one, fixed price and best offer accepted. So I'm gonna paste this one and research. Now sell-through rate for this one seems very low for iPhone charger generally, but let's see what product has sold a lot. Now if you look at this in iPhone charger category, this one actually sold a lot. Charging charger cable code iPhone 12 mini Pro. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this one, and then I'm gonna paste, do the same thing, like I'm just copy the top one and do the searching again. Okay, now again the same thing, and then research. Now you can see if I search that thing alone, it sell-through rate is 100 percentage. If you have sell-through rate below 40 percentage, it mean you shouldn't try that. Like if it below 40 percentage, you should avoid it. Make sure you get something above 40 percentage, and this one is 100 percentage. It means it's really really good. Now the next thing is we search on Alibaba for the same product. I'm gonna put until this. Apple, and I search this product, and you can see how much cheap you can get. And another thing I forgot to mention is, like, when you are buying from Alibaba, make sure the seller is at least 5 years, because these are new sellers, so you shouldn't try those things. 3 years, this one is 6 years, is good one, but this is not the cable we are looking for, so we skip this one. This one is 9 years, so this is one of the good seller you can try and buy from. Like that, you have to see whether the seller here is at least 5 years of selling, those kind of thing. Then you can buy from them. If you buy from them, it's gonna be good. That's the case, and that's another way. And another way is, like, even there's a one more product, that is one more software or whatever, like search. I mean, sourcing. One more sourcing website is Sig Analytics. Is much more efficient than, actually much better than Terapic. Okay, I'm going into that, and here what we do is, here they actually, if you don't have any product idea, they actually give the suggestion. This product, like, sold in a week a lot, so if you grab them, they're definitely gonna sell. So that if you don't have any idea, you should try these things. But since you have some idea, you can search the thing, like let's say iPhone charger. I'm just typing iPhone charger, and here it also showing all the people who are selling it and how much sell-through rate it's going on. 628 percentage, mean very good. And here I can see which one sold a lot. Actually, there's one more cable is going on, selling a lot. This is a Samsung charger cable. And to double check this one, you can copy paste in Therapy as well. I don't know what's going on. Okay, let me double check again. New fixed price, best offer accepted. Okay, this one is 100%. Only one seller is selling this item, and it's like 100% selling. This guy sold 10,000 in February alone. Wow. So he has no competitor at all. He's just freely selling it. And if you try that, you will sell it too. Search this one on Alibaba. Okay, this black color thing. Yeah. So this one, you have to make sure you make profit as well. This guy's selling it for like 3.95 Canadian dollars. So we had to make sure we get something cheaper than that. Like when we bring it, it should give some profit. I think this is the one. 0.75, 1.9. This is definitely gonna make you profit once you order and buy them. So that's how you can search for product if you are a beginner. I don't want to go more than this. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys on my next video.